This is our project called Back to the Future. It's a web application to communicate synthetic biology concepts to non-scientists as a public outreach project. And specifically, we wanted to show that DNA is a powerful encoding language and drew inspiration from the idea that bacteria could be used as a time capsule to store information. In the application, we show how Twitter messages can be encoded into DNA. So after reading the intro screen, you can click to begin, and it brings you to the main screen of the application. So here there are a few different elements, one being the tank of bacteria which hold all of the messages, and the other is the workspace that shows the process of encoding. There are also these side panels that can be toggled back and forth, one with the protocol to show the process, and the other with a Twitter feed of different messages that can be encoded. So I can either pick one of these messages in the queue to encode, or pick up my own message by entering my Twitter username here. So I will just choose a message to encode, and when I'm ready, I can click the encode button, and it shows the process of translation. So each letter corresponds to one of the DNA codons, and this strand of DNA is now being created. Okay, so now this is the second workspace, and by following the protocol, I go through the process of inserting the encoded DNA into the bacteria. So to begin, the encoded DNA needs to be inserted into the plasmid. And now that it's been inserted, I can choose one of these bacteria from the tank to hold my encoded message. So I drag one of the bacteria over to the workspace, and then insert the plasmid, and now this bacteria holds the encoded message, and I can drag it back into the tank. Okay, so now that the bacteria holds the message, I can click on the various bacteria, and the messages that are in each bacteria will scroll across this ticker as I click on them. And that's our application.